What's it called here? Brentwood Central. It's not Central, man, but Sean said he's from everywhere, so he just giving me some guidance here. There's the background, and look who. Mazda, I feel like I ain't seeing any years.
Okay, then.
How things going?
Yeah.
Where the shop still look
Yeah, current road there. Yeah.
Okay, I will give me the address. Give me this kind of give me around how many business.
Yeah, we do. Actually, we're doing servicing for all the new model Mazdas now.
Okay.
So yeah, it's quick service. Parts, Rotary parts, performance, like normal. Obviously, we handling all the parts for the RX7s and things like that.
Yeah.
All the old school cars, the few performance cars left of the old Mazdas, we
should make it something.
No, it's only a few left. Plenty of them off the road right now.
Okay.
Right, so we're trying to maintain them, trying to bring them back on the road. A lot of guys here, I brought in a lot of parts for them to try to, especially interior parts, new Mazda parts, trying to restore. Restoration is the name of the game now. So,
in your opinion, as compared to how it was like back in 2008 and thing, for the RX parts, is it harder to?
Much harder
to source?
Much harder to get an engine. For our new is slowly dying.
Yeah.
We're looking at new. So it's gonna be new parts, new rotors, new housings from Mazda. Yeah.
Okay. Right. You have IG, Instagram or something?
Yeah. Maztune at Instagram and Maztune Limited Performance Shop on Facebook.
Alright, nice seeing you.
Yeah, man, cool.
Yeah. So the RX7 meet, look at seeing Didi. So these are get a Didi have a first gen. He just bringing parts too, but like he's bringing any parts. Like you call him and anything specific you need, he would bring it on. But let's check to see what cars are higher so far.
Cover like this? What's this?
Is this scene, right? Is this scene? Long time.
Kerosene.
Partner from long, like when I had the second gen days, like.
Kerosene.
Tell me.
Yeah.
This is yours, right?
Yeah, same. Yeah, that's me right there.
This is the one you have for the Series 5 in? Or you
Series 6. I go on pay it in.
Series 6?
Yeah, I ain't paid in yet.
You paid in yet?
Yeah.
Oh.
Soon?
Okay, so what's the plan so far? How the RX8 treating you?
Yeah, I get accustomed to it. So.
You get accustomed?
Yeah, I get accustomed.
Who doing? Okay, if you have a plan to rebuild a Rotary engine, who you would have in mind to go to first?
Well, I rebuild in mine.
You doing your own thing? Yeah, so you're doing that for everybody else, or you just on your own?
On my own.
On your own experimental?
Yeah.
Alright.
Porting and polishing, I ain't tried that yet.
Yeah.
But I have some plates to practice with. I'll try it out. Yeah.
Alright, nice seeing you.
I know it's you undercover there.
Yeah, I just come to check out what you seen here.
Yeah.
So we have some more third gens, first gens. We only have two second gen. Who would have a second gen they are supposed to check out for you long as well. At least I'll get to talk to him now. That is Saffron, if I believe is his name. He's drag race. But behind me is a very, very crisp third gen. Let's check it out. like a third gen. But there's something about, maybe because of how I had a second gen before, I just had that connection to our second gen. And it's always our second gen I've always seen online. And it's a blue with real power. That's why I see MP oil. But it's a Rotary, you never know. Like I say, maybe because of how I had a second gen before. This one, super clean. Let me check out the engine. Don't ask me. Nothing but good. Right, so 13B, 2 rotor. I wanna say 2000 primary.
No, 850 primary.
850 primary and
4 2000 secondary.
2000 secondary.
4 2000. So
4,000 second.
it's 16 injector.
Oh, okay. Where's the turbo spec? Borgona.
Borgona S369.
Is it one way to get or two?
2 ways get to that one. Hide
Oh yeah, I see the next one.
Yeah.
You see this engine? Whew.
Stuff.
Three-core radiator, look like.
Yeah, Chico right.
Who do the piping?
Take care do the piping.
Take it, big up yourself.
Yeah, take care he do some exhaust work from it too. He do
Right.
complete exhaust and
As in like customize the manifold.
right. He did some work on the manifold. Somebody else had built the manifold, but he did the twin wastegate somewhere.
Okay.
He built the complete exhaust. The 3.5-inch exhaust from front to back.
What you do to get the 4 injectors for the primary? That was like a customized.
Secondary.
But yeah, sorry for the secondary.
Right, so that low intake is a company called Excessive Engineering.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
So they have that aftermarket low intake to go back with the stock upper.
Once you hear Rich, you have more than 4 injectors. Just know that the power on the next power level, right? Electronic, throttle body, or management. Fuel tech.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's check him out. But I know you're drag racing. Well,
Yeah. Next event.
next event, but that's the racetrack event.
Nah, the event before that. But the racetrack event, I'll be there too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, man. Take care.
Car looks very fresh and very clean. Well, some more to Jan. So they taking some pictures. Some more to Jan, but that was second gen again to jump inside. I wonder if it unlock. But my halo did it.
What's up, hey? How you doing?
This is how the bounce you up. I know it's my fault. Tell me,
What's up?
look at what you can, huh?
I ain't recognize it. Wait, did you bring your father?
No, he actually home resting. Yesterday was his birthday.
Oh, okay. So he's probably enjoying himself.
He relaxed with
How
himself.
old?
I had no idea. I know in his 60s.
Well, this is a 1985 RX7 GS.
Yeah.
Second owner from the States. Stock 12A, doing 56,000 miles.
Damn.
Original. Just installed a Mikuni 44 side draft on it,
Okay.
and the engine just wake up.
Okay.
No excuses. The exhaust stock, except for the back barrel, is a GSLSE
Okay.
back barrel. We do suspension, racing beat suspension front and back,
Yeah.
springs, urethane bushings, upgrade on the wheels, some 15x8s,
Yeah.
little sway bar and aluminum radiator and a few little things, but really original.
Yeah. Well, I
That
know
was
it.
that was the plate from.
that was the plate from before?
Yeah, that was the plate. You always get an antique plate when it's over 30 years.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that was the expiration. 2018
2018.
is when it came in.
The engine untouched, as in like
Engine untouched, never opened.
never open.
Yeah, never opened. 12-way stock, automatic.
It was super
With-
premium in this.
Regular,
Regular?
super.
Super?
Yeah, you're supposed to really run regular.
Okay.
Long time ago they say that
Yeah.
for carburetor engines,
Okay.
but all these guys saying well run super or whatever. So I don't see any regular anymore. But
might get one or two gas station and
right.
Toco or some kind of thing. You might just see the sign. It might be available.
So the RE told me that he don't want to come out today.
Yeah.
He's giving a little issues, so I have to fix him. We're doing that show in Wallafield on the 31st.
Okay.
Putting up a booth.
For the racetrack event.
Yeah.
Okay. That
So
is nice.
we'll be there with the 120 and the RE.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So
Well, glad to see you out.
yeah, man. Nice to see you too.
All right. Well, but we still have to take the car for a little thing. huh?
Sure. Anytime,
Yeah?
anytime, man.
All right.
Anytime.
Wait. The business.
The business.
Yeah, because I was talking to Maztune, then he told me he specializes in Mazda parts and stuff.
Mazda parts, but everything Japanese, really. OEM.
Okay.
We find a lot of OEM stuff sitting in warehouses
Okay.
in Japan or Dubai or wherever. And we have a good relationship with all those warehouses.
Yeah.
And we really get some good prices. I got some clips for your dad. He was looking for a tail light
Yeah.
out of Japan, but
yeah.
it was unfortunate they got lost.
Oh.
So we'll have to replace them.
Okay.
So I am Rotary Tech. We rotate parts all over the world.
Yeah.
We have customers in Aruba.
Okay.
We have customers in the US and Trinidad.
Okay.
So,
Alright.
hard to find stuff. That's what
Anything, but you could just get them like your info, or if you have social media. How do
Well,
people
we
get
are
in
on
contact with
Facebook. We are on Facebook, Rotary Tech,
you? Right.
USA.
Okay.
And then obviously Facebook and Instagram.
Okay.
And word of mouth is best recommendation.
Yeah.
But for example, the Datsun 120Y is a 1983.
Yeah.
The little caps on the wipers, I
Yeah.
found them brand new from Nissan in Japan.
Like original.
Original and
Hey.
Nissan bag. So all those little things, make the car finish.
Yeah.
There's a little house light up in there, plastic.
Yeah.
That was missing. We
Yeah.
found that from Mazda.
Oh, the artists give it that extra
Yes.
authentic look.
Moldings, all this new, brand new. Rubbers.
Yeah.
It's. Let me give you a little peek here. Original last 6 of the
Yeah,
VIN.
no.
Yeah.
Yeah, this like super clean. I really like that.
Cassette player. I don't think you know about that. Do you?
Nah, I remember them days. But
You remember them days? Still have the original jack and thing inside here. Cover in there. All this is original, just faded.
yeah.
All this is for defrost.
All right.
So we try to keep it a little bit original.
Yeah.
Obviously, rims, suspension should be modified a little bit. I think.
Yeah. For
to,
sure.
to make the car. We need a nice little flash over here soon. You can see all this.
All right. And well, it's
License.
properly inspected. All right. So,
Thank you.
well, and then we will take it outside so I can hear the side draft.
Sure, no problem.
Yeah?
Anytime.
Alright, so I mean, it's a lot of a couple Rex. People say Rexuses. Yeah, so it's a couple RX7s, RX8s, Rexuses. I might bust out just now. I mean, I come quiet. The BM still getting some issues with the injectors, the injector seals. I think I have like one more solution. Other than that, then I gotta order everything from the company, which hopefully should reach by the time for the racetrack event, right? Forget that. Is it 30th and 31st?
Yeah.
30th, 31st. So remember that event, right? The C35 I might have to get a head-on block, I think. So if I have an idea where I can get a head-on block for Series 2, I was to call Swedish to ask them.
But listen, let's talk about that engine already, isn't it?
No, well, I feel like the engine was already on his dying, on his last wish.
breath.
Yeah, because the last thing I did on it was the suspension check. I do for the suspension, was it transition, it's sweet, and then we checking it and we realize we might have it's a piston ring, feels like one of the piston rings.
Well, they say stuff when I give Jay-Z's men and them RB. Nothing good enough, you know?
Yeah, boy. Right now, I just wish. I'm two-minded, right? So here's what's going on.
Nothing good enough.
Two-minded about something, right? Either to rebuild the engine or just go and get a 1J or sell the car and buy a car with a J in it. So if you're interested in any of those options, yes, I know I might disappoint all with regards to the trading
Second
car.
option, that's for Jay-Z in it, instead of buying a car with a Jay-Z because they gotta spend more money on the Jay-Z than have the car with the Jay-Z. Understand that, Matt?
Not necessarily, yeah. Not necessarily, but we go talk that off the camera. I know I may have probably disappointed you all because I know a lot of people was looking forward to the classes, but we have like a little extra delay, right? Don't worry, I'm working on it. I disappoint myself too, but it's an RB, so I wasn't surprised.
What?
No hating on the RB, but that's just how it is. So that is the scene with the training car. And
Monkey, the man trying to say your RB not good in the C35.
I never say that. Nicholas, I wish you all the best with your RB. Wish you all the best with everybody who has RBs, I wish you all the best.
Don't edit out that.
Everything is, it's a particular thing to people. So I might like coffee, but you drink coffee and you might be in the toilet right through, right?
I like bread. Talk now.
Bread man in the back here. So, on the next video, right?